Case 1840, 1991 vintage. Notice some chain slippage. Decided to tear into it. I noticed that the gears, or the adjuster for the chain tension, the bolts had slipped, or the lock nuts appear to have slipped. The bolt that tightens, by pushing on this casing on the axle housing, is all the way back against the gear casing. So I'm assuming what we're going to find is that that chain is real loose and it's slipping a cog every so often. "7 degrees out." I wouldn't recommend doing this when it's 7 degrees out, but I've got the time, so we're going to do it.